Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about list methods in Python. First we will see what is index method. So in index method we can able to know the index position of a given element in the list. For example, we have a one list. You can say that list name as a P list. So in P list we can have the different types of input. So I have an integer input and floating value and a string input and one more list and again string input, and we can have a complex value as well. In that we can able to know the indexing position. Index of good. So I want to know the indexing position of this particular string input. So what is the indexing position? 2. We know that always our indexing position will begin with the 0 position only. Okay. So 34 is begin with 0. So good is position is 2. Okay. Insert. So what is insert method? If you want to add any new element to the existing method, existing list, we can able to use this insert. Okay. So if you want to give a new element in a particular position, we can use this insert. So we have a P list. In the P list, I want to add some data, 90. In my position as 4. In fourth position, I want to add 90. So print of P list. So in fourth position, I'm getting the value as 90. The method is count. So what is count? The same element is repeated for more than one time. Okay, that is called count. The number of occurrence of a particular element. Okay, the same element will be repeated for more time. So we want to count the occurrences of a particular element. For that purpose, we are using this count method. So in this list, we are going to add 34 for more than one time. Now we are going to check this. Plist dot count of 34. So totally how many 34 we have? 5. Okay, so that is the count method. We want to create the copy of a given list. We can go for this copy. I want to create a new list. So new is equal to plist dot copy. So if I give like that and printing of new, I'll get the same element whatever is available in this plist. Okay, that is the copy method. Okay, so remaining method we'll discuss in the next video. I hope all understand these methods. Thank you guys.